Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get Steam points. The most common way is by buying games, software, or downloadable content. Every time you make a purchase on Steam, you automatically earn points based on how much money you spend. There is no extra step required. The points are added to your account instantly. Another quick way to earn points is by buying items from the Steam market. When you purchase trading cards, skins, or other community items, you also earn points. Keep in mind that selling items does not give you points, only buying does. You can also earn points by gifting games to friends. If you buy a game as a gift, you still earn the points as if you bought it for yourself. The easiest and fastest way to collect Steam points is simply by buying games during sales. Steam runs large seasonal sales where you can grab many games for a low price and still earn points on every purchase. Once you have points, you can use them to buy profile backgrounds, chat stickers, avatars, and other cosmetic items in the Steam Points shop. Thanks for watching.